Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix unable to connect the server in League of Legends. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Riot Games client, and if you logged into your account, on the top right corner you just need to press on this profile icon and then sign out from your account, and then you start your Riot client and enter your account, and in a lot of times the problem should be fixed. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can close Riot Client here and then open up your task manager and end all the tasks related to Riot Games or League of Legends. And after you do so, try to re-enter Riot Games and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, sometimes it's not on your end. Sometimes basically Riot Games have some server issues and whatsoever. So what you need to do here, you need to go to status.riotgames.com and then select your language and then select the game, select your region, and look if there is a issues reported on basically server status. And if there is no issues, another thing that you can do here, if you're using VPN, you need to disable and then try to enter the game. So if you're using VPN, you just need to press on the network and internet settings on the system tray here and go to as you can see here, VPN, and if you're using VPN, disable and try to enter your game. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, on network and internet here tab, you need to go to advanced network settings and more network adapter options, right click on your network here, go to properties, then press on internet protocol version 4 and change your DNS server addresses. To do so, just press on this one, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server, write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server, write 8.8.4.4. This is just Google DNS servers. You can change that, and after you change that, you can restart your computer and try to re-enter your game, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. But these easy fixes should fix your problem. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.